So today we're going to go test drive some cars. So today we're going to go test drive some cars. One of the cars is going to be a Subaru. And then another one is a favourite of mine, a Ferrari. And another one is, I actually paid extra for this as well to drive whatever the best Lamborghini there was. So let's go ahead and see what they're all about, shall we? Let's go! And we're going to see what we can learn about the marketplace, because there's always a lesson in everything that you do. So we're about 12 minutes away. Think about what I'm talking about. Cool, this looks like a racetrack already. Have a look around. Wow, looks like there's plenty of people here already. Let's park up and let's get in there, shall we? Check this guy out, what's he doing?
Yes, please.
So what? What's happening here then?
So we're about to get naughty and
oh, look at this guy here.
We're going to go in one of them.
You're the passenger while I'm driving.
No, she's the trainer.
Go and speak to Rosie for me. The lady just where the Audi flag is up there.
Yeah.
And she'll sign you in for the other two cars that you both got.
No problem.
So.
Where are we going? See Rosie now.
The thing is, they've got to find out what we need first, and then they've got to give it to us. And they're not asking the question. Yeah. So what she should have said was, look, do you want to go faster than the car that you've already booked?
That would have been a sick question.
That's what I mean. And if I would have said yeah, then I would have been sold, but she didn't ask. So.
Yeah, man or mouse.
No, I said no to teach her a lesson.
You go in the mouse car or you go in the man car.
Listen, yours has got more brake, but I'll go faster. That was naughty.
How far is it?
Yeah, quite far. The track's cool. Like you got to go in and out and stuff like that. It's so good. Just hold on to this for me, guys. Okay. And we'll head over to that table over there. Okay. I'm buying the camera footage. He's upsold me while I was driving. Listen, yours has got. Let's go. Is it good?
Justin, you going in that rally car or not?
I don't know. I can't wait to get out in the F1 car.
Tell me why you wouldn't do it. Is it because of money? Is it because of rain?
I don't know.
Is it because you want to compare your video to mine? Like this stuff here? Why are you going this one now?
Yeah, alright, thank you. Dog.
Leg day yesterday, mate.
Down here.
Hey, this nice thing. I'm an air conditioner. Let's go! So yellow manuals on and then go back on the power again. Right, yellow goes on. This was a beast. 250k you said it cost new.
Is that what it is?
You said after we drove it though and ran it into the ground, it weren't really worth very much.
When we're getting one?
Huh?
When we're getting one?
What, should we get a company car?
Yeah, I will.
Get an events car. Let's go in this Atom now then. Alright, Justin, how you doing?
Is it looking naughty? I can see it in that camera at the front, that's not looking good at all.
You ready? You ready? Do we go straight in and pop it straight off? Justin Bond. How did you like the Aston Martin?
Yeah, it was naughty, man. Naughty stuff.
So what's your favourite bit of today?
Oh, good question. I think my favourite bit was going out in the Lambo. I really enjoyed driving the Lambo. And
Wait a minute!
out in the Lambo. Out in the Lambo. Out in the Lambo.
Who are you?
Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see his real videos of how he was driving. Yeah.
Is just have fun and have experiences and create good relationships, because this relationship was created through Facebook, believe it or not, social media. That's where I met Mr. Harvey, and he purchased me this as a gift for my birthday last year, which I'm so grateful for. So
And be willing to be upsold, yeah?
oh yeah, they was upselling like mad, but he wasn't doing it in a good way, but because we wanted it, we brought it anyway. But it is what it is.
Nice, yeah, so we love it. I just watched our amazing day and all the lessons that we learned, and some of the main things were, me and Justin, we got there, yeah, so first of all we paid for a package to do certain things. Then when we get there, straight away in the line, there's an upsell opportunity. Now, we established very quickly, me and Justin, that in this upsell they were just kind of telling us what it was rather than asking us what kind of experience that we want. Yeah, so in real life, in property investing and building business and sales and marketing, you always got to find out what the client wants, and they never did that on many occasions. But there were some scenarios where Justin, he didn't want to be upsold and he didn't want to do it, and he was resisting it in some way. For me, I was just like, game on, I know what I want. And here's the thing, you know, in life, sometimes your clients or an investor or a vendor who's selling a property or whatever your business is, they'll know what they want. They'll be like me, you know, they'll know what they want and they'll make the sale for themselves. But a lot of the time, people don't know what they want and they're not clear on what they want. So in those scenarios where the person on the other end, i.e. you, is not finding out what they need and helping them discover that, then that's where communication breaks down, the sale will break down, the deal or the investment won't go through because it wasn't clearly established what it is that they wanted. They didn't know, you didn't find out, you didn't ask them the right questions, so now the pieces of the puzzle cannot be put together. If, again, I just want to say again, if someone's like me and I know what I wanted, I know I wanted to have a full out, maximum, you know, thrilling experience, drive the fastest cars, do as many of them as possible, get the most thrilling experience, so I did that, yeah, and nothing was stopping me. But sometimes, even when people do know what they want, there's things stopping them. So you've got to be able to figure that out. So when you learn something, the speed of implementation that you put it into practice will determine your level of success. So until next time, do the right thing for the right reason, because that's the only way you're going to discover your true potential.